In 2024, BYD overtook Tesla as the world's top EV seller, producing 1.77 million vehicles to Tesla's 1.77 million. This shift highlights BYD's rapid growth in affordable models and global expansion, challenging Tesla's premium-focused strategy. BYD manufactures 75% of its parts in-house, slashing costs. From batteries to semiconductors, this self-reliance lets BYD undercut Tesla's prices while maintaining profitability, a key factor in its rise. BYD's Seagull, 11K, and Yuan Plus 20K dominate budget markets, while Tesla's Model 3 starts at 48K. Price-sensitive buyers flock to BYD, driving its 2024 sales to 4.3 vehicles, double Tesla's. BYD's lithium iron phosphate, LFP, blade batteries are cheaper and safer than Tesla's nickel-based cells. Tesla now uses BYD batteries in some models, signaling a tech shift. BYD builds plants in Thailand, Brazil, and Hungary to dodge tariffs and localize production. Tesla struggles with import taxes in India and slowing European demand. BYD targets everyday drivers with compact cars like the Dolphin. Tesla focuses on luxury, Model SX, but its aging lineup struggles against BYD's diversity. BYD's revenue grew 26.4% from 2022-2024, hitting 28.7 billion in Q3 2024. Tesla's growth stagnated at 3.6%, squeezed by price cuts. BYD sold 4.3 M EVs in 2024 versus Tesla's 1.8 M. Hybrids boosted BYD's lead, while Tesla's Cybertruck failed to offset declining Model 3 Y demand. Tesla's 2023 profits fell 44% after slashing prices, 25% to compete. BYD's profits soared 200% in H1 2023, leveraging cost controls. Tesla's full self-driving leads autonomy, but BYD's DAI pilot gains ground. A 2025 partnership with DeepSeek AI could close the gap. BYD holds 37% of China's EV market, the world's largest. Tesla relies on Chinese factories but faces a price war and policy shifts. Tesla's 40K plus superchargers cater to premium users. BYD invests in battery swap stations and China-focused infrastructure, prioritizing accessibility. China's subsidies and tech policies fueled BYD's rise. Tesla faces U.S. tax credit uncertainty and regulatory scrutiny over autopilot. Tesla bets on futuristic tech, Cybertruck, robo-taxi. BYD balances innovation with affordability. Like the amphibious Yangwang U8 SUV, analysts predict BYD will outsell Tesla 2.1 by 2025. Tesla. Its success hinges on cheaper models and autonomy. BYD's global factories and hybrids may widen the gap. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.